With its knockout style, comfort, and advanced functionality, Sienna brings serious fun to the Toyota family and families across America. And right here, we've got the Sienna XSE, an exciting grade that takes that formula even further with a dose of unexpected attitude. Let's take a closer look. So if you know Toyota models, you know that an S indicates the sporty ones. And that's definitely the case with the XSE with me today. I love this one's ruby flare pearl paint color, but whichever color you go with, Sienna XSE is going to stand out in the sea of sameness that is the usual van segment. Look up front here. This honeycomb-style grille and these standard LED headlights deliver styles that perfectly blends modern refinement and aggressive character. And then check out these wheels. They're enormous. Since this Sienna XSE's a front-wheel drive version, we're looking at a whopping 20 inches in diameter and dark painted. These black side mirrors are also unique to XSE. And then around back, this lower bumper features the same sport mesh treatment we saw up front. Combined with an athletic silhouette and strikingly modern body lines, this is clearly a van that's not just designed to do it all, but to have fun while doing it. And XSE has something special to offer there as well, with its exclusive sport-tuned suspension helping ensure a great feeling of control, stability, and responsiveness. That sense of confidence is taken even further if you equip Sienna's available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, a remarkably smart system that sends power to the rear wheels whenever added traction would be helpful, whether that's driving through a snowstorm or just pulling out of a driveway. And speaking of powertrains, check this out. This is Sienna's amazing new hybrid system. Every model gets it. The electric motor system helps it dish out instant torque, and all combined, it puts out 245 net horsepower, as measured at the wheels, no less. That's enough power for Sienna to tow 3,500 pounds. But the best part? It does all of this while also getting class-leading fuel economy estimates from the EPA, an unbelievable 36 mpg combined rating for front-wheel drive models like this. And of course, this hybrid system is backed by Toyota's unbeatable expertise in hybrid tech. Well, that and a 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. All right, should we take a look inside? This is where Sienna really shines. I think this interior is just incredible. Now, some aesthetic details are unique to XSE, like these satin green accents on the center console, and the sport trim seating. And the sheer amount of tech and creature comforts in here is hard to overstate. These heated front seats are just the tip of the iceberg. You can hit this driver easy speak button to use Sienna's audio system to talk to passengers all the way in the back. And we've also got this 9-inch touchscreen system running Toyota's top-of-the-line premium audio platform, which has onboard dynamic navigation, standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and Sirius XM. It also works with Toyota's line of available connected services, providing great stuff like an in-car Wi-Fi Connect hotspot and remote connect vehicle controls through the Toyota app. You can even pair it with a 1,200-watt, 12-speaker JBL system for mind-blowing audio. Okay, let's hop in the back. The features here are amazing as well, like the super long slide feature on these second-row captain's chairs and the third-row seats that fold up with ease. So the flexible layout in here is pretty hard to beat. But we've also got great standard stuff like these sunshades, a ton of USB ports, 7 of them across all 3 rows. Now, you saw me open these sliding side doors with just a kick, but watch this. You can kick to close too. Definitely not something you see every day, and incredibly handy when your hands are full. And yes, it works the same on the rear liftgate, making it a breeze to access the available 1,500-watt power inverter. which has enough juice to power crucial camping supplies, namely the coffee maker and crock pot. You know what I appreciate so much about Toyota is that safety is never an afterthought. That's why Sienna comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. An advanced suite of active safety features that use this camera here and this radar here to deliver amazing driver assistance functionality, like automatic pre-collision braking and cruise control with vehicle distance control and lane centering. We've also got standard blind spot monitoring, whether on the highway or backing out of a parking spot, as well as a sonar warning on both front and rear that helps make parking a breeze.